Another day, another story. Are you tired of constantly feeling like you can't control your bladder? Do you find yourself rushing to the bathroom or unexpectedly leaking? Well, you're not alone. Millions of people worldwide struggle with bladder weakness. But here's the good news. There are exercises that can help strengthen your bladder and improve your control. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 highly effective exercises that will help you fix a weak bladder once and for all. So, if you're ready to take control of your bladder, let's get started. Exercise 1. Deep breathing. First and foremost, we need to learn how to breathe deeply and control our breath. This exercise is often overlooked but is incredibly important. In our busy, stressful lives, we tend to hold a lot of stress in our pelvic floor and core muscles. This stress can exacerbate bladder issues by increasing intra-abdominal pressure, leading to more frequent urges to urinate and urine leakage. To start, lie flat on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your hands over your stomach. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, allowing your stomach to rise. Then, exhale through your lips, feeling your muscles relax. Repeat this deep breathing exercise 10 to 15 times daily to reduce intra-abdominal pressure and alleviate bladder issues. Exercise 2. Kegel contractions. Next, we'll perform Kegel contractions, which target and strengthen the pelvic floor muscles. These muscles act as a hammock, supporting the bladder and contributing to its normal functioning. It's crucial to perform this exercise correctly to avoid worsening bladder issues. Start in the same position as the deep breathing exercise, with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your dominant hand's index and middle fingers on the perineum, the area between the scrotum and anus. With your other hand, rest it flat on your stomach. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. As you exhale, imagine stopping the flow of urine, squeezing the pelvic floor muscles. You should feel a gentle bulge in the perineum against your fingers. Relax and repeat this contraction, making sure not to clench your stomach muscles. Aim for a few sets of 10 repetitions daily to strengthen your pelvic floor and regain control over your bladder. Exercise 3. Pelvic stretch. Now, let's focus on loosening the stiff muscles surrounding the pelvic floor and in the pelvis itself. These muscles include the hip flexors, glutes, and lower back. Prolonged sitting, which is common in our sedentary lifestyles, can contribute to a weak bladder by causing stiffness in these areas. To stretch these muscles, lie on your back and place one foot over the opposite knee. Push the knee away, feeling a gentle pull in the glute muscles. Rock your hips side to side, keeping your shoulders on the ground. Repeat this motion about 10 times on each side. As your lower back and glutes loosen up, you should feel a significant stretch, helping improve your bladder function. Exercise 4. Warrior 1 lunge. The next stretch targets the hip flexors and core muscles, which often become tight and stiff from prolonged sitting. By loosening these muscles, you can better support your bladder and alleviate bladder issues. Begin by lunging one foot forward, with the other knee resting on the ground. Keep your chest up, facing the wall, and square your shoulders in front of you. Lift your arms above your head and lunge forward, feeling the stretch in your hip flexor. Look up towards the ceiling and hold for 5 seconds. Repeat this lunge 5 times on each side. This stretch will contribute to resolving your weak bladder problems. Let me know your progress in the comment section below. Regardless of your situation, remember that you have the power to overcome your weak bladder. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.